Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You're watching a weekly link up with me, Anna Kasatkina. We're going to discuss the ongoing situation on Forex with technical analyst Peter Jakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. By tradition, let's begin our link up today with analysis of the most popular currency pair. Traders are inspired with the positive outcome of the EU summit, as leaders of the European countries have settled some burning issues. They made the last-minute immigration deal and discussed the lingering trade dispute with the US. Nevertheless, the euro-dollar pair is closing the trading week at lows. Hi Peter, could you please share your outlook for this currency pair?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is that this currency pair is at a strong support. So the level of 1.1510 is a critical support, in my opinion, for the euro versus US dollar. Selling before the breakout of this potential on this support looks like very risky because the price may reject from this support and the euro may go and create another bullish wave before potential downward continuation. So my advice is basically to watch closely on the level of 1.1510. And if you see the price cannot break, and if you see any bullish flag and any confirmation that the buyers came, then watch for buying opportunities. I see that the price may go potentially to visit the 1.1722. Or, for example, 1.1840, which is the second upward target. Again, if you see the valid breakout of the 1.510, then the price may go and visit the 1.1400 and 1.1300. So, key level on the euro versus US dollar, 1.1510. So far, this level held successfully, but watch to see what will happen in the future and adjust your positions according to the situation based on this support.
Likewise, another European trading instrument, the pound-dollar pair, also advanced today. However, it closed on Friday with weekly losses. What prospects do you foresee for the pound sterling?
British pound versus US dollar is basically trading lower, but I found that there is a potential support level because I gathered the previous swing lows according to a daily time frame, and I got that there is actually at this moment and right now there is a support on this currency pair. So even the trend is a strong downward, the potential rally is possible in the next period, and it's a very risky to sell. Basically, the price is going very taking the new lows and so on. So it's better to wait for a rally, for potential bearish flag, and then try to sell, or even try to do some speculative buying if you see the valid opportunity. So far, I found their support trend line. So if you see that strong demand and follow it by bullish flag or something like that, then watch for buying opportunities and watch for potential rally on this currency pair. The upward targets are set at the price of 1.3220 and 1.3300. Both targets are based on the price action and what I found according to the 4-hour time frame. So again, before any selling, my advice to watch for at least some rally or bearish flag or some patterns, watch for symmetrical triangles, and then watch for potential bearish continuation. Otherwise, watch for potential rally and then watch for potential selling opportunities.
Uncertainty in trade relations between the US and its major partners is setting the tone on financial markets. Safe haven assets are winning and instantly losing favor with investors, depending on twists in the trade conflict. The Japanese yen is no exception. Today, the dollar-yen pair is again finishing the week with a rapid rally. Peter, what strategy would you advise traders on this currency pair?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, I found basically a very well-formed upward channel. And this channel, basically, the price is trading inside of this channel, but I see that this is a more corrective movement relative to the previous downward movement. So, in my opinion, you should watch for selling opportunities if you see the valid breakout of this upward channel, and that will be a good sign that USDN might trade lower. So watch for breakout of the upward channel. In the downward target is set the price of 109.40, and this is basically the low, the swing low from where we started this upward channel. So watch for that level like a target if you see the value breakout of this upward channel. And if the price remains inside of this upward channel, then you can watch for buying opportunities with a target on the upward trend line. So far it looks like a corrective upward movement, and that's why I'm expecting further bearish price in this one. But if you see the price still this supportive channel still hold, then you can basically watch for buying opportunities inside of the channel.
Remarkably, despite low demand for safe haven currencies, traders are in no hurry to buy risky assets this trading week. For example, the Australian versus the US dollar pair has been trading in the red. We would be glad to hear your comments.
Australian dollar, US dollar, I found an interesting situation there. There's a fake breakout of the support according to the 4-hour time frame, according to the daily time frame, and I see this that there is a potential. There is also a very well-defined downward channel on the 4-hour time frame. Seems like once the price break of this downward channel, that it may start good upward momentum on this currency pair. So pay close attention on this downward channel that most recently I found on the 4-hour time frame, and watch for breakout of that channel, and that may lead us for potential test of 0.7440. So again, be careful when selling. Watch potential breakout of downward channel to confirm a bullish moment.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You have watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading, and see you soon.